Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you some tips and notes many beginners in print-on-demand business doing that make them lose many sales in their platforms. And to make my words more clear and successfully illustrated and demonstrated in this video, I'm going to display two recent sales on Redbubble, one of the most popular print-on-demand platforms. So let's get started. The first sale here 2 days ago, it's about apron of funny chef sayings as you see, like this one. And the second recent sale, it's also 2 days ago, it's about socks of softball for girl. So what the tips here and what the catch sheet on these recent sales I got. The first one here for apron of funny chef sayings, many beginners in print-on-demand business, they are rushing going through the big names and the big niches people know, like swimming, yoga, football, and so on. However, they are neglecting a big sector of different niches and sub-niches. Many people are looking for designs about it. So here in this case of funny chef sayings, apparently this design is a target for chef or for people who are loving cooking and so on. So many beginners in print-on-demand business, if they want to make designs about professions and jobs, they can make some designs about physicians, about mechanics and so on. They are neglecting a big sector of professions. People are looking for designs that express them, like for chefs, car driver, bus driver, and so on and so forth, like in this one, funny chef sayings. And number two in this sale, that is apron item. So you've got to activate all items as much as possible on your print-on-demand platform, because you don't know which item this client specifically choose regarding your design. It could be apron, t-shirt, sticker, and so on, in order not to lose any sale anymore. So if you are a beginner, just you can go through different sub-niches and different niches, even they are small and target people. And for that, you can actually make your business depend on these niches. They are less competitive and so on. And the second sale here, the same one about the soft pole. It's a sub niche of the pole niche or sport niche. So many beginners go through tennis lovers, swimming lovers, fishing and so on. However, they are neglecting a big sector of different sports, like this one, soft pole and so on and so forth. And as well as this socks item. Just to do that, just activate and enable all different items on your Redbubble store or any other print-on-demand platform. So here there's a big question: how we can know the different niches and sub-niches of sport niches or different jobs and so on? Simply, just you can head over to ChatGPT or Gemini.Google, and here you can ask this amazing tool to give you a list of niches and sub-niches or different kinds of a specific sport or a specific niche or something like that. So here you can actually ask this ChatGPT to give you a list of different jobs and different professions. As you see here, like doctor, nurse, teacher, engineer, scientist, musician, chef, firefighter, it's an amazing one, lawyer, architect, pilot, electrician, plumber, and so on and so forth. So if you not that one, so you can find many beginners in print-on-demand business. Just you can go in through the first 5 ones, like the doctors, nurse, teacher, engineer, scientist, and so on. They don't care about different jobs and various professions as you see. So of course you can make your designs for target people for this specific job as you see, like for accountant, economist, geologist, judge, surgeon, pharmacist, and so on and so forth. And the same way, likewise, you can get a list of the sub niches and niches or different kinds of pole sports. including softball, tennis, basketball, and so on and so forth to make your designs about. And here a good question comes up: how you can get some quotes and sayings about different jobs. It's simple. In the same place here, you can actually ask ChatGPT to give you some creative quotes and sayings about a specific job, like for chemist, biologist, computer programmer, and so on. So for example, here you can give me like for example, fashion designer, for example, copy. Okay. And of course, you can spice things up by inserting something like funny, for example, funny and funny. Okay, funny. Just in a few seconds, like fashion is my cardio. So far, so good. I designed, therefore I am sewing a dress to impress. I create the dress. It's amazing, impressive quotes and sayings to target. Many people are looking for different designs that express their interest, that express their life, their job, and so on, what they love, like stylish by design and so on and so forth, for different jobs in this amazing list. And likewise, you can actually get different designs and quotes and sayings for different sports. And here you can actually the stage of how you can make your designs simply and professionally. Here, if you go to this 1 second sale, you can find this design. It's a simple one. Yes, I threw like a girl, won't I listen? It's a simple text-based design, as you see. It's a simple font, simple colors, and so on. Just words and a simple graphic. So here, don't limit yourself, and you've got to make complicated design, complex designs here and there, and so on. Just you can make simple design that express your idea and convey your message successfully, like this design. So you can make your own one on canva.com as you want, even if you are a free user, or you can make it in Photoshop if you are a professional at this amazing software, or you can depend on some AI tools out there like Ideogram. So here you can ask this amazing tool to give you amazing design for t-shirt about a job or a sport entitled or that has this text or this saying. So for example, to make our words more practical, like this one, life's too short to wear pouring clothes. So you can copy this one, copy and go to Ideogram, and here you can ask and insert here your prompt, like a t-shirt design. Okay, and here you can select this one, square dimensions, and move this poster and just click over this button, generator. As you see, this result, like left too short to wear pouring cloth, and so on and so forth. And here you can find various types of text-based design as you want. Of course, you can actually ask, you can add in your prompt a graphic for fashion designer, a graphic for cloth, old cloth, and so on, and pouring old cloth and such. So you can download this design and move this background or colored background on any external tool like Slazer, remove.pg, or in Canva if you are a Canva Pro user, and so on, and upload the design as it is in your print-on-demand platform and activate all your items as much as possible, whether you are working in Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, Spreadshirt, and so on. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.